Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a beautiful 58-degree day out. It's been nice pretty much all week, every day this week. So I definitely wanted to get out here and make a quick little video for you guys. Just gonna be a short one today, just giving you guys my thoughts on the 2023 model Softails and just what I think about them. Just wanted to start off the video by thanking everybody for still watching, liking the videos, commenting and stuff. I love replying to you guys' comments and stuff like that. So you guys are super cool. But let's get right into it. So I know I'm a little late to the party of making this video, but there's probably a ton of other videos out there with people talking about the 2023 models of Harley. So let me get out a little further up here so I can see. Sorry, just making sure, concentrating. So starting off, they have the Softails standard that a lot of people thought was gonna maybe disappear this year, but nope, it's here. It's still here to stay. So that's pretty cool. It's a great bike to just like have a plane, like just a bland platform to build off of and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. You have the Street Bob, which is pretty cool. They have they took away some of the colors options, which kind of sucks, but they have that new yellow on there. Watch out, lady. And then so we'll see what kind of builds coming out of that. They brought back the Breakout, which is really cool, and they put the 117 in there, and that bike looks mean. I think it looks really cool. I'd love to test ride one of those one day. Hopefully there's like a demo day near me one sometime soon, or during the summer there probably will be, so I'll definitely take advantage of that and go test ride some of these new bikes. Obviously you got the Lowrider S and the Lowrider ST. They not much changes to those. The one thing they did for all the Softails is they brought back cruise control standard on all of them, so that's really cool. That you don't have to wait like so long because it's on back order for the cruise control. So that's really cool. For the Lowrider S and ST, they have the standard vivid black, and now they also have a white sand pearl, which is really clean looking. I definitely just get that on the Lowrider ST. If I got the Lowrider S, I'll just get it plain black, obviously. The MSRP on the bikes are a lot more than last year. It's like $1,000 more, which kind of sucks. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know if it's worth it just for the cruise control. But that's up to you to decide for yourself. Super nice they do that, but like I said, I've had the ST and stuff, and then the Lowrider S. I haven't used cruise control once when I was riding an ST. It's super nice if you're planning on going on trips and touring and doing long highway miles, obviously, because just give your hand a break. But oh god, the red light. But yeah, there's not much changes. The Lowrider ST, I was interested to see if they would switch the gauge up to the Lowrider S gauge, because I know a lot of people were switching that off. But no, they kept the same digital gauge. And I do gotta say that the Lowrider ST and White Sand Pearl looks so good. I really dig it. Not many changes other than the cruise control and stuff like that. It would be cool to see them do different color options on the Lowrider S and ST, but you know, it's just easier for them to do black, vivid black, and then one other color. If you want to do all that, you might as well just get the bike painted, because there's not that many parts on the S. At least you got the fairing, you got the tank, got the box underneath it, and you got the rear fender. So yeah, but that's pretty much all the Softails. I think that this year is a little bit less hype compared to 2022, but you know, that's all right. We still got some bikes. Obviously I didn't touch on all the bikes that came out and stuff like that, and all the new colorways, but they have released one CVO so far, and then I think there's a couple more on that are going to be releasing sometime during the year. So it'll be exciting to see what those look like. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you guys had the option, would you get a 2022 Softail, or would you just go with the brand new 2022 if you think it's worth it? Let me know down in the comment section down below. Yeah, that was pretty much it for the video. Just a quick little video, nothing crazy. I was trying to do a video on installing the foot pegs, but apparently, if you guys can answer this question down below for me too, that'd be great. There's a bolt you have to like tighten up, and then on the instructions it says to follow the specific torque recommendations, but I can't find anything for that, so I don't know if I should just tighten it up and then hope for the best, or just take it to like a dealer and let them do it. But let me know down below if you guys know. I did get some blue Loctite for that, but I don't know if I'm going to be doing the install. I wanted to do the install video for you guys, to show you guys, but yeah, if I end up finding out the how much, you can just tighten it up like as much as you can with some Loctite, or if you need the a specific torque number, then I'll do the video. But if I can't find that out, I might just have to wait and let the dealership throw it on or something. But thanks for tuning into this video, guys. I'm sorry it's been a while. The reason why I'm not been posting that many videos is because, you know, I'm just trying to think of some good video ideas. You know, I don't want to just come out here and make like a crappy like 6-minute video of me just riding and talking about random things. You know, that's boring. You guys aren't really getting anything out of it except for seeing me ride. But you know, I want to always have like a good topic or something to talk about with you guys. Like I said, thank you guys for commenting and doing all this cool stuff, liking the videos and stuff. I always love hearing from you guys. Definitely looking like it's starting to be warmer now in February. There's only two days that are going to be like 40s, but the rest of that it's going to be like 50s, 60s. So, you know, I'm excited for that. That's more riding for me. So let me know what you guys think of that. If you guys, what the weather's like near you guys, if it's an ice like hit us here, or if it's still like snowing like crazy. But thank you guys again for watching the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know about that bolt down below and stuff like that. But thank you guys for watching again. I hope you guys have a great day, and have a good one. See ya.